If you're using hard money loans for your real estate deals, you're probably bleeding money and not even realizing it. You see, while everybody's focused on interest rates and down payments, there are hidden costs that will absolutely destroy your profit margin. I know this because I've worked with hundreds of real estate investors and I've seen them make the same mistakes time and time again. In this video, I'm going to expose the 5 hidden costs of hard money loans that most investors don't realize until it's too late, and how you can become a powerful cash buyer instead. Hidden cost number 1, the closing date lie, or a delayed closing. Let me paint this picture for you. You lock up an amazing deal, you're ready to go with the seller. The hard money lender tells you, hey, yeah, we can close in 3 weeks. 3 weeks comes by. Oh, wait, we need another week. Week 4. Oh, hold on, we need some more documents. Send those documents to us. Week 5. Hey, we're almost there. All of a sudden, your seller walks away and you just lost your $5, $10, maybe even $15,000 earnest money deposit. Not only did you lose that money, you lost the deal that could have changed your year. Hidden cost number 2, what you're missing, the loss of negotiating power. Here's what most investors don't realize: the power of a 3-day close. When you can look a seller in the eye and say, I've got cash, I'm ready to close when you say when, that's worth its weight in gold. And we've seen consistently that investors can lock up properties for 10% below market just because they're able to close that quickly. Hidden cost number 4, your time. Do you know what a typical hard money loan looks like? It's 200 pages of closing documents, endless emails back and forth. It's constant documents and weeks of processing time. Every hour you spend on hard money loan paperwork and processing is an hour you could spend making money. It's an hour you could have used to find more deals. How much is that time costing you? Hidden cost number 4, the fees. Check out all these fees that hard money lenders have. Origination fees, processing fees, underwriting fees, doc prep fees, extension fees, broker fees. Compare that to our single flat fee structure. Hidden cost number 5, the Mario effect. What happens when you're not a cash buyer is that you're like small Mario, weak and one mistake away from failure. When you do have the cash to confidently close deals quickly, you're like Super Mario, shooting fireballs left and right, confident, powerful, and able to knock those deals out. So cash isn't just king, it's your power-up in real estate. The math is simple. When you compare hard money loans to other types of loans, they may seem cheap, but once you add up the deals that you've lost, the higher purchase price, the wasted time, the hidden fees, and the lost deposit, you're losing money when you're actually trying to save money. If you are ready to stop leaving money on the table and start closing deals like a real pro cash buyer, click the link in the description below. I'll show you how to get 100% financing with a single flat fee, a 3-day close, and start winning all the deals that everybody else is losing.